rider 3A. All set now, ready to race. Race number 6. Away they go. That's in the wind, blasting out of the gate, followed by G.I. Jane and Bold Buckwest. Down on the inside is Pag Asa. B-Boy's Girl Go Genius is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, the favorite, That's in the Wind, followed by Bold Buckwest. In between runners alongside is G.I. Jane by the rails, Pag Asa. Go Genius second last, and B-Boy's Girl is now the tail ender. And rounding the far turn, That's in the Wind by half a length. G.I. Jane pressing up on the outside. Pag Asa is running in third by about 2 lengths. Bold Buckwest, Go Genius, and B-Boy's Girl moving up by the rail as they swing from That's in the Wind. G.I. Jane fighting for the lead. It's That's in the Wind. G.I. Jane on the outside. It's That's in the Wind. G.I. Jane on the outside, but still That's in the Wind. It's still the leader, G.I. Jane in second, and nearing the finish line. Scintillating run number 3, That's in the Wind by Albert Serio. Second, G.I. Jane close. Pag Asa 3A, B-Boy's Girl Go Genius.